Hello everyone. In this video, I will guide you step by step on how to reset your Logitech G Pro Wireless mouse. Let's start with the software reset method. This is the easiest way if your mouse is still responding normally. First, make sure your mouse is connected to your computer. Then, open the Logitech G Hub application. Once the software is open, look for your mouse on the home screen and click on it. This will open the configuration page where you can see your current settings like DPI levels and button assignments. Now, find the settings option. Inside this menu, you will see an option called Restore Default Settings. Click on it. This will reset all custom settings back to factory defaults. Your mouse should now behave like it did when you first got it. Now let's move to the hard reset method. First, turn off your mouse using the power switch on the bottom. Next, press and hold the left click button, the right click button, and the DPI button at the same time. While holding all three buttons, turn the mouse back on. Keep holding the buttons for about 5 seconds. Watch for the LED lights to blink. This blinking indicates that the reset is complete. After this, release the buttons and test your mouse. It should now be fully reset. Thanks for watching.